Yeah, so this is the thing I did. I only did this pathway, this quickie one, but it was recently updated, so it's like you can complete it again. I feel like there was, and then I think I tried a little bit of the junior programmer pathway part, but then it's a pretty big step up from this one. I wonder if they would let you watch this stuff with like double the speed. Different rooms of a house. I think this is different. I don't think I did that. I think they changed like what you do. Yeah, it was just like a ball. It was pretty boring. Like you just that was the project. You just like spawn a bunch of shapes. That's it. And then have them fall from the sky. I thought there'd be like a maybe it's new. I thought there'd be like a higher amount of people. Because this one wasn't updated recently. I bet there's definitely like a higher amount. Or it won't tell me. Interesting. Nice.
Welcome to Unity Essentials, your first step in learning to create interactive experiences within Unity. My name is James, and I'll be your guide throughout this pathway. If you've never used Unity before, or if you know a little bit about Unity but want more of a comprehensive introduction, you're in the right place. Learning Unity unlocks new creative possibilities and career opportunities. With Unity, you have the power to create amazing interactive games, worlds, and simulations across industries and styles, and then publish those experiences on different platforms. In this pathway, you'll gain a foundation in key areas of Unity development. First up is the editor essentials. You'll get comfortable moving around the Unity interface and learning how to navigate 3D space with ease. Next,
I think this is where I'm gonna probably take notes for like the commands to do these things. Since I literally forgot.
Next is 3D essentials. You'll dive into 3D creation, designing a room environment with a bouncy ball physics simulation. Then, in audio essentials, you'll bring a kitchen scene to life.
This one's the same. They kept this. The first thing is new. Kitchen is the same. Maybe I'll skip that.
A variety of immersive sounds. To learn the programming essentials, you'll code basic interactivity for a character who can collect objects in the living room. After that, there's 2D essentials.
Wait, this is new. This is also new.
Objects in the living room. After that, there's 2D essentials. You'll discover the unique aspects of 2D game development by creating a top-down version of a familiar scene.
And that's also new. Oh, what they had you do for this old one. I actually remember now. It was a pinball machine, or it was a pachinko.
Finally, in the essentials of publishing, you'll learn to package your work as a shareable portfolio project, building it for different platforms. By the end of this pathway, you'll have a strong understanding of Unity's core features, preparing you to develop more advanced and specialized skills. You'll also have a collection of fun, engaging environments customized with your own personal touch. So, if you're ready, let's get started on your creative journey by learning the Unity essentials.
I wonder why this pathway got updated.
Yo, Salt.
What's up? You sleepy? Yeah.
You're probably gonna need to go ahead and kick Hunter out of the channel because he is definitely asleep.
Yep, I will kick him. Banned. Okay.
And
what is this? Disconnect? Is that what I want? I wonder.
yeah, disconnect.
Okay. He's disconnected now.
And yeah, like I've got I've gotten to a point where I sort of understand what the hell's going on
Hell
here.
yeah! Let's go, Ellie. Oh my god, I thought you were gonna
I
say to
have
me when you were saying it was.
Did your mouse cursor disappear again?
No, that didn't happen though, at least. It's so cute. Look at him, he's falling from the sky.
No jumps to begin with. Hit a red gem. Now he can jump. Jump over here. If you don't hit the yellow gem, then you can't make the jump.
Ah, see,
But if
okay,
you hit
yep.
the yellow jump, then you
Then you
can
push.
double jump.
Nice.
And that's it. That's it. Also, I've got a giant respawn floor underneath here somewhere.
It's really good.
Wherever it is. I've got a spawn point. There you go. That's the respawn point.
Are you addicted to
Or
it
the
yet?
respawn
I hope
floor.
so.
It's definitely interesting. I could see
Yeah.
myself
Yes.
redoing something here. I have like an idea for a game, and hey, I actually like
Perfect.
I'll have to figure out like 3D shit in this. But I mean, I think I've got a good starting point
I think you'll
with this right
I think
here.
you'll do just fine with it. I think you most certainly have all the math and stuff you'll need to navigate that without any trouble. Unlike me, when I got to the 3D stuff, that's where I signed out because that's where they started introducing quaternions and that stuff, and then I was just so lost at that point. It was so sad.
All right, that's that. I'm gonna be heading out here. Fun stream. I learned some things,
You learned. Well,
and now I've got a little dude that can
you
jump
did so
around.
well. It was like you didn't learn anything. It's like you just went in and did it.
Oh,
You're
I
already
compl-
an
I
indie game
completely
dev
learned
now.
Shit.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for introducing me to your friend.
Yeah, of course.
You guys are funny.
All right, Salt. I will talk to you later. I hope you have a good rest of your stream.
Thank you. You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Maybe I'll like go through this quickly and maybe take some notes or something. But I kind of don't want to have to redo stuff that I already did in the past. Because it'd be kind of nice to be able to start from where I checked out over a year ago. But I will say the difficulty curve goes up very quickly if you're not using other like resources and stuff, particularly for like C#. I can skip install Unity. How do you get the XP? Oh, I just remembered. I am wondering if there's new assets they give you. Let's see. Okay. Can I click on this? I should be able to. Oh, there we go. Let's whatever. I mean, I'm kind of tempted to do everything all over again, just to re-get to get the badge and all the stuff all from scratch. Huh. What about this one? Does this one say mention rewards? I thought in the past it used to say at the beginning of the missions or whatever. It's like, if you do all these things, you'll unlock this. But I'm not seeing it. Oh, there it is. Unlock these rewards. Let me go back to the Unity. Maybe the deciding factor will be if I unlock new rewards or not. If I'm gonna go through and like submit all the stuff again. Yeah, so this one. So I think in the first one you just don't get any rewards at all. Actually. Wasn't it like down here? I don't think you get anything here either. I'm pretty sure in the past. Oh. There used to be rewards even for the Unity Essentials. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Like, I'm pretty sure the one mission. Wait, did I? Let's look at this one. Did I click on the right stuff? Be done in the lower ones. Yo, did you just wake up or something?
I woke up like an hour ago.
Oh, hi.
Like morning stuff to do.
Okay, no unlocks. Why does it not show everything in the sidebar? Oh, it actually does. Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, I think you started streaming right after I went to sleep.
Oh wait, say again?
I think you started streaming right after I went to sleep.
Nice. I wonder if the new Unity Essentials pathway is significantly better, or if it's mostly just like a touch up on their image. Because I will say the one I did, it was decent. It taught you the stuff. I mean, it had a few problems, but it wasn't a super big deal. But it also just the stuff they had you do, maybe other than the one, this Audio Essentials one that is the same here. It was kind of like, especially for the 3D part, it kind of looked pretty unprofessional. Like it was just like spawning a bunch of shapes. But this stuff looks a lot cleaner. So maybe that's what all it was that they did. But it looks like there's no extra rewards, so I'll just get the controls and I don't know, copy and paste them into like a notes. It would be good to relearn the layout though. It has been a really long time. Oh my god, should I just go through the whole thing? Maybe I'll just go through the beginning.
Got myself a good breakfast here.
What'd you say?
I got myself a good breakfast here.
Oh, nice.
Nice can of Chef Boyardee.
Oh my god.
Moving around the Unity interface and learning how to navigate 3D space with ease. Next,
Wait, did I
specialized
watch
skills.
something? Oh no, I didn't.
Essentials. You'll code basic interactivity to learn the in audio essentials. You'll bring a kitchen scene to life with a variety of immersive sounds. To learn the programming essentials, you'll code basic interactivity for a character who can collect objects in the living room. After that, there's 2D essentials. You'll discover the unique aspects of 2D game development by creating a top-down version of a familiar scene. Finally, in the essentials of publishing, you'll learn to package your work as a shareable portfolio project building for different platforms. By the end of this pathway, you'll have a strong understanding of Unity's core features, preparing you to develop more advanced and specialized skills. You'll also have a collection of fun, engaging environments customized with your own personal touch. So, if you're ready, let's get started on your creative journey by learning the Unity essentials.
Let's see what's in here. This part's new. This one, I don't think this was in the old version of this.
How did
The
Nan
UI.
game go?
What'd you say?
How'd Nan game go?
Oh, I finished a level of it. But then I ended up getting confused but by the instructions actually. Like, the issue was, for this was fine. Like, I was kind of understanding it, and I started, like, the first block I ever dragged was actually this AND block, because I was like, oh, yeah, the CL is dependent on ST. But then, when I had, I had, like, the wrong solution, this threw me off. Like, this is not actually what it's supposed to do. Like, it's not supposed to store one unless this is one. This has to be one, though. But this is really, yeah, set CL1.
Let me see if I can look at what I did.
I mean, maybe it's possible to have it still, like, work with this, but it confused me and it was, like, misleading.
This one was tricky. Well, I mean, for the instructions on this one, all I look at is what's on the left. I just care about the table on the left.
Yeah, well, yeah, that makes sense. But yeah, that did end up really confusing me. So then I broke, like, what I had like some good stuff in here, but I basically broke what I had, and then it got, like, significantly worse because I got confused by what it was saying here. This part's fine though on the left. Just this. Yeah, that was annoying. You're right. The instructions can be kind of weird sometimes.
Well,
or the way they phrase stuff can be, like, weird. That's annoying.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, no wonder when you reach that.
So you did solve it. You did solve that one.
Yeah, but I solved it because Ellie was there and led me in the right direction. Because, like, once I started getting further away, once I got, like, confused by what they were telling me here, I was like, oh, that's different than what they're telling me here. So I started changing what I was doing. Then they were like, no, like, it's getting worse. Like, yeah, and then they explained, like, what the output's actually supposed to be, and that's really all I needed.
Yeah, I mean, just look at the tables. The tables tell you what they're looking for.
Yeah, but even this, I was, like, kind of confused. I thought what this was supposed to do, my understanding of it ended up being, like, this is where I got confused. Like, at first, I thought it was, like, when it's 1, give the output. That's actually what it is. It's like, when it's 1, then set it. And, you know, like, then you'll, like, return the output or whatever.
Oh, right, there is CL as well. I forgot.
But what I thought, later on I got confused, and then I thought, like, oh, if it's 1, do the output. And then if it's 0, also do it too. Like, but only do it as soon as it switches, which is, like, something different. Like, if you're not changing it and you're just changing this, then do nothing. But if this switches from a 1 or it switches to a 0, it doesn't matter. If it just changes, store the information. So I was doing something different. And then also, with this problem, so all it was, and what Ellie said that gave it away was, like, what gave away, like, why I was confused It only matters when it goes from low to high. That's it. It's from low to high, not both. I thought it was low to high and high to low. So I was like confused on how I'm supposed to do it. And it's like, yeah, that's
Oh,
what
you're
happened.
trying to make it change every time that value's changed?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would cause problems. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That
That's
makes
what I was
sense.
trying to do, because I thought it going from 0 to 1, I thought it was like supposed to give the same output when it goes from 1 to 0. I thought it was just like a switch that like does some like do the thing when it flips. Whenever the bit flips, do the thing. But it's not. It's only 0 to 1. That was
Just look
confusing.
at the next level.
What'd you say?
Did you look at the next level?
No, I don't want to. I already did mine for the day.
Next level's easy.
You said this one was easy too. If I don't want to
No, I
really
didn't
know.
say data flip flop would be easy. I said it would, no, because data flip flop was the level that you were on before, right?
No, it wasn't.
No, go back. Oh, well,
The one I was
okay,
on
no, those
before
two
was
levels are
D-latch.
different. Everything after that is very easy. Like those three, like SR latch, D latch, and data flip flop, those three were pretty difficult. But everything after that was pretty easy.
Well, I'll do it. I'll look at it next time I stream. Probably do like look at a level each time I stream, and then if I don't
I mean, you
finish
said
it,
you
I'll just
wanted
like
to do
stay
that
on it
before.
forever.
You said you were looking
My whole
forward to
life.
the register.
But yeah. Create UI. Yeah, this person new. Employ the sprite editor. Slice sprite sheets. This is new. Okay, they actually did a lot of changes. This is some really nice touch. So they teach slicing sprite sheets early. That's really nice.
Man gave me an on-screen keyboard. Nice.
In the old version of this, I'm pretty sure they just had you like spawn like one of the 2D circles that comes with Unity, and that's literally it. And they're like, that's 2D art. Very nice. Configure basic build of a project.
Wait, what? Wait.
Employ essential features of the Unity editor. Create and manage scenes. This is what I definitely want. The navigating in 2D and 3D space.
Oh.
And where I need to take notes. Figure unicamera for scenes, unicamera skills, and then might have been in the beginner.
Wait, how many things can I drag the window around? Oh, did you know you could drag the windows around in NamGame?
In what?
You can drag the little pop-up windows around in NamGame.
No, I
Like
didn't.
when you click on Stretch Solution or whatever, that window, you can drag that around.
What window?
And yeah, I just found out because I did it by accident.
Oh wow, I never tried dragging it. Yeah, it does drag. It's funny. Where'd it go?
I did it by accident with another window.
Oh, what tab was that in this one? Moving camera scenes. Camera skills in response to project requirements. Dude, Ellie did some Unity for the first time. Did Unity while I was like looking at some of this stuff, and then he like figured out how to like do all the stuff and made like a cute little platformer. It was cute. Camera skill response to project requirements.
So what? 5 means shift. 5 means no shift. Wait, what?
Oh, I remember saying the camera stuff in the old version wasn't very good. But actually that might have been the next pathway after this.
What?
I don't even think they really introduced the camera at all at this stage, so this seems like a massive improvement. Beginner lighting from that appropriate lighting.
I look at the next level of NamGame that I have to do after store keyboard input in memory.
Appropriate lighting scene in manner that will simulate the real world behavior of light. Decide the appropriate lighting system to achieve common outcomes in a universal render pipeline project. Configure ambient diffuse environmental lighting in order to convey mood and enhance realism.
This thing really makes me want
A
to
light
type.
map in order to implement baked lighting in a scene. Configure light sources and shadows in order to functionally light a scene. Configure light probes in order to increase the realism of baked lighting. Configure reflection probes in order to achieve. Yeah, this stuff's new. Very new. I'm just gonna go through and do everything. A lot of this stuff never showed up before. Accurate reflections. Troubleshoot common lighting errors in order to appropriately light a scene. Synthesize your new lighting skills in response to project requirements. Build 3D audio for scene. This is probably going to be mostly identical to this one. Manage game objects with prefabs. I think I still have the old project for this too, so I'll probably just like resubmit it if it ends up being identical, and I can just skip it. Manage game objects with prefabs. But I do remember that this one, I think, was the most fun in the old one. Create a game object component with a script. Work with game object components. Component with a script. Level 1 application scripting. Common logic structures. And they introduced you to code too. Because also in the old one, they tried to avoid code as much as possible. Compose scripts that utilize various APIs, which is very different. This part, implement appropriate data types, write code that integrates into an existing system. Cultivate a code style that is efficient and easy to read. Prototype new concepts. Level 1 code comprehension. Type of basic code in a unique code base. Improve simple code using features of an IDE. Identify the default elements in a new scene. Create game objects. Transform game objects. Work with components and scripts. Control the appearance of game objects. Employ basic physics for game objects. What is this opening up to? I'll copy it. Into another window. Oh wow. Oh yeah, this looks fine. I just wasn't sure if it was gonna like reveal. I wasn't sure if this was gonna. Actually, wait a second. Am I signed in this other tab? No, I don't think so. I think it's fine. Yeah. This is interesting. Wow. I know this is for Unreal. Oh, if Ali was here, I would say that Verse is. I heard Verse is like a functional programming language. Desirable but not required. No way. Wait, if anyone's like here, I wonder. I kind of forgot. Are internships like are there unpaid internships or do they have to be paid in the U.S.? I forgot if that changed or I forgot if it's like required
I don't know.
for interns to be paid. This is really cool. Oh wow, that closed fast. Oh, expired September 4th. It is September 4th. Okay, I see. So in like 2 days, less than 2 days, this one went down. So why is it still up? Why is this listing still up? Dang. It's really interesting though. What's this one? Oh wait, the same one. Oh, another one from Epic. This is really cool. Anyway, I don't need to do this, but I'll just go through it quickly. 4-star. Oh my god, I heard that Discord sound. I was like, what the hell? For a second. Oh yeah, there's different plans for that.
Welcome to Unity Essentials, your first step
Wow.
within Unity. My name is James, and I'll be your guide throughout this pathway. If you've never used Unity before, or if you know a little bit about Unity but want more of a comprehensive introduction, you're in the right place. Learning Unity unlocks new creative possibilities and career opportunities. With Unity, you have the power to create amazing interactive games, worlds, and simulations across industries
Why is it like slightly laggy? Oh, I can't change the quality though.
and styles, and then publish those experiences on different platforms. In this pathway, you'll gain a foundation in key areas of Unity development,
Well, this is the same video, isn't it? Yeah.
personal touch.
Okay. think I'm gonna jump back and forth between doing this and then that other tutorial I was looking at. Because this is kind of boring. Until it gets harder. Where's it? Yeah. I did not know Unity had its own generative AI. Nice, it takes you.